All right, guys, it is Sunday, and Dillon and I have been trying to meal prep a little bit of stuff for the week because we've both been on our eating grind. We've been eating so healthy, and so I'm going to take you along with what we make so that we have easy things to grab for the week. Here we go. First up is chicken. We like to have shredded chicken that we can make into quesadillas or wraps or eat. Don't like to eat his with rice. And so I'll show you how we make that. It's really, really simple. It's nothing special. I just salt and pepper them, and then I'm gonna sear the first side, flip it, sear the second side. Once the second side is seared, then I just add a little bit of water and put the lid on so that the inside can cook fully. Once that's done, we shred it, and we shred it using a hand mixer, which is awesome. I'll show you. This is honestly disgusting. It is so large. This is not the size of a chicken breast. Okay, I'm cutting the gross part off the chicken, this little like tough part right here that you never want. Cutting that off of each breast, and I hate how big these are. It's gross. I can't wait for the farmer's market to start. We actually just got a new meat processing place in town, so maybe they might start carrying chicken. I should check that out. Okay, this salt, so good. You have to get this. It's so good. Then Dillon is also just making some rice. All right, and then Dillon is making Greek yogurt ranch dressing. So this is a great way to get added protein. Put it in a quesadilla, dip it in quesadilla, dip anything in it, dip potatoes in it. We made tzatziki sauce last week. It was so good. So just a good, easy way to get more protein. He uses the Ambitious Kitchen recipe, and it's really good. Okay, once the other side looks seared too, I just add some water to this pan and put the lid on. Greek yogurt. I got new containers today because these ones that we got from Walmart probably a year or so ago, all of the lids are broken. So I got these ones with the snap lids. I found these at Walmart. It came with 5 of them. I don't know if they're quite big enough, but we got 5 of them for, I think it was $34. So it was decent. We needed them right away. Another thing I've been making, or just an idea, when Roan eats apples, I will mix peanut butter and Greek yogurt together, and it's like a little dip, a little peanut butter flavored fruit dip, and it was really good. I loved it too. Sometimes I'll put like chocolate chips in it, and it's a fun little treat for him too. Once all the water has basically like boiled out, we move them to a bowl. Dillon's excited about his new containers. Look at that. Look at that. It's really good. Even with just salt and pepper, it's just so good. All right, so we're also just gonna have tacos tonight. So we're gonna make some extra ground beef for some more lunches. I got this at Walmart today. I'm so excited about it. I've been wanting to get one of these because we have ground beef for literally, I would say 5 out of 7 nights a week. We have ground beef, and this speed it up. How many grams of protein are in each one of these?
103.
103 grams of protein for a lunch. I'm only supposed to get 106 a day, and there's 103 just in that lunch. And if you don't know about protein, it's so important. You're supposed to get what? It like your body weight in protein, in grams of protein.
Depends what you're going for.
Depends what you're going for, but that's the goal, is to get as much as possible.
917 calories.
And that. So good. All right, just went to the grocery store. $317 for like a week, hopefully, of groceries. So let's do a grocery haul. Okay, so we used to be people who like bought junk food all the time, but now we're healthy people. Okay, we try to be as healthy as possible. I used to buy junk snacks. I still do. But I'm trying to make better choices because food these days is just not the same as it used to be. So like I mentioned, of course the baby's gonna start crying. Of course. We have started like buying better food, better snacks. Because even like Cheerios, oatmeal, like all that stuff just came out about there's pesticides in it that cause infertility. We're feeding this to our little babies. So like I always fed Roan Cheerios, and so we're just doing our best with what we got. But I still like buying snacks and things that are easy to hand him because he's a hungry boy. He eats what we eat, but he also needs snacks in between because he's a grown boy and he's a kid. I've been eating super healthy. This is only the second week of my 12-week like fitness program, counting my macros and all that stuff. Been eating so healthy. Been feeling so good. Roan's been eating everything I've been eating, which also has been really helpful because he's getting some nice meals. So anyways, I'm just going to show you what we got and probably like how we use it. If this little girl is going to be good to us. All right, freezer stuff first real quick. These absolutely love. These chicken maple sausages, Walmart freezer section. Love these. They're actually fully cooked already, so sometimes Roan eats them frozen, and I think they taste so good. Then I've been getting these Halo Tops because I am an ice cream junkie, and these are only $270 per pint. I'll just eat like 1/3 of it, cure my sweet tooth. They also have a lot of protein. So this one has 15 grams of protein. This one has 18 grams of protein. These are more expensive, but again, worth it. And I ration them out to make it like three different nights. Every night when I'm done with bedtime, gotta have my sweet. Then we still have Elf left, but we are running so low. So we haven't even really been buying meat other than like maybe chicken here and there. But I did get some ground beef. These little package ones that are organic and like Kentucky fed are actually cheaper than the other ones. And so we go through a lot of beef in this house. So I got some of those. And now since we have been like tracking our macros, all we've been eating is cottage cheese and Greek yogurt. So cottage cheese, good for so many things. Like anytime we're having chili or, you know, anything that's like in a bowl that's hot, throw in some cottage cheese. Extra 12 grams of protein right there. And then Greek yogurt. So we've been making Greek yogurt, like ranch out of Greek yogurt. It's been so good. We've been making tzatziki sauce for like potatoes and things. So good. Lots of extra protein. And then Greek yogurt with fruit. So I get the vanilla. I really love the Too Good brand, but they don't carry it at any of our stores. So I'm going to try this Chobani. I'm sure it'll be just as good. Okay, and then I just got some of these, which obviously aren't good for you, but I just had them at my friend's house. I'm addicted. They're so good. 130 calories per serving. They're not great for you, obviously, but this is a nice little snack, and I'm excited because they're so tasty. Okay, so I recently just bought the Walmart, like, organic brand, and I wanted to compare it to the Go-Go Squeeze. This is what I usually get. This has 3 less grams of sugar. There's no added sugar, so it's awesome. I just wanted to see the added sugar. Neither have added sugar, but this one has less sugar. Can we take a moment to talk about how a can of peaches, I remember it used to be like, I've been eating canned peaches since I was like a little kid. I love canned peach slices. They used to be like 50 cents. This can of peaches, $2.50. For a can of peaches. That's insane. That's actually insane. Then I get ready whip because I love to put it on my coffee. I like to put it on old berries that are like getting mushy. I'll put it in the berries and mix it up. And then we just got some cheese, some bacon. All right, we've got rice. We love some rice. We've got the protein pancakes. I make these for Roan like 3 to 4 times a week. They're good. They're so easy to make. I like them. All right, then my snack of choice lately has been this popcorn. Super tasty. Obviously, super low calorie, no vegetable oil or anything. 40 calories per cup. We love that. And then Dillon's been balling out and requesting the Siete chips. And so these are fancy chips right here. If you know, you know. So that's why our grocery bill is so expensive, because we spend $20 on chips. And then I got 2 of these protein yogurts. These are great. Roan loves these. I love these. Super simple, easy. Roan also loves the mandarin oranges. I compared the no sugar added versus the canned and 100% juice. And these had less sugar in them. So there's no added sugar. There's only 6 grams of natural sugars in it. All right, we got berries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and then some mushrooms, some sweet potatoes. Dillon loves this coffee, and it is so, so good. Another thing that we like definitely splurge on is good coffee. These are some snacks I got Roan. He loves these bars, these That's It bars, and it's just fruit. There's no added sugars in them, no added anything. It's just apples and strawberries. He loves these. These Kind bars I got just to hand him in the morning. He needs something immediately when he wakes up. I try to make like muffins or something for him to have immediately when he wakes up, but these are good if I don't have anything ready. And then I've never gotten these before, but I'm gonna try them. There's only 6 grams of sugar per bar, which is really good for like cereal bars, because a lot of them have like 10 to 12 grams of added sugar. And so we will try them out. There's no like oils, artificial flavors, colors, preservatives. So we'll see. Only 3 grams of protein in these, so we'll see what they're like. Roan doesn't even like these, but Dillon and I love these Juicy Burst Black Forest. They are so good. They're not good for you at all, but they're like a gusher almost. And then Murphy Girl is growing out of all of her sleepers. Look at this sleeper from Walmart. So cute, and it is so stretchy, okay? So stretchy. $10. It's the Modern Moments, but it's different. It's different. It's like this new brand. They had so many cute ones, but they didn't have prices. So I did not know how much it was until I checked out. So I only got one. $10. But this is a 3 to 6 month, and it looks big and it's good because she is so long and she doesn't fit in any of her clothes. And we got so many hand-me-downs, but the seasons aren't working. They're not working. So I got this to try it out, but if this works out well, I might go grab a couple more of them. There was really cute prints also, and ones that didn't have feet too. So we'll try this out and see how we like it. All right, that's all our groceries. Now I need to put them all in the fridge.